Precision Roofing Contractors. We are the specialists in all things roofs and are dedicated to giving you fast, friendly, and reliable service. Need to redo your worn-out roof with an exceptional long-lasting roofing solution? Your search ends here. Our roofing contractor services provide a hassle-free experience by offering a free quote for your roofing project. We understand that pricing is an important factor when it comes to roofing services. That's why we strive to offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Our goal is to provide our customers with cost-effective roofing solutions that meet their needs and budget. With over 10 years of experience in the roofing industry, Precision Roofing Contractors has a proven record of delivering exceptional results. Our extensive knowledge and expertise allow us to handle even the most complex roofing projects with ease. From residential homes to commercial buildings, we have successfully completed numerous projects, earning the trust and satisfaction of our clients. We are proud to be your go-to roofing experts in Akron, Ohio. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, we have established ourselves as a trusted name in the industry. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering top-quality roofing services to residential and commercial clients alike. When it comes to protecting your property and ensuring its longevity, we understand that every detail matters. That's why we take a meticulous approach to every project we undertake, providing exceptional craftsmanship, reliable solutions, and unparalleled customer service. Our services include roof repair, new installation, home insurance claims from storm damage, beautiful metal roofs, and commercial roofing. Call Precision Roofing Contractors today for a free no-hassle quote, 330-597-9972, or visit our website at www.precisionroofingcontractors.com. Precision Roofing Contractors. Call 330-597-9972. You'll be glad you did.